Welcome to our guide on using the budgets feature in your accounting system. Once enabled, access this feature by going to Reports, Budgets, to see your budgets. To set up a new budget, click on Create Budget. Enter a budget name that clearly identifies the budget's purpose. Then, enter a budget period. Specify the period end date for the first budget period. For example, enter the year end date for an annual budget or the month end date for a monthly budget. Once created, you can add more periods by using the copy icon above the current period or clicking Add Period to the right hand side to enter a new empty period and enter the required amounts. Use the Save button at any time to store your entries. You can return later to refine or add more periods. To view a budget report, click the View Budget Report option at the top of the Budgets page. This report compares the current financial period with your budget values. The Difference column shows the difference between the actual value and actual budget figures. The Variance column shows the percentage difference between actual and budget amounts. Favourable differences are displayed in dark font and unfavourable amounts in red. You can adjust the report by changing the column settings at the top of the page and adding new columns on the left-hand side. Select the date range in the column filter to include amounts between those dates in this column. Columns can display actual or budget amounts. When choosing budget amounts, select the specific budget to be included. Choose which comparisons you want to display after this column. Difference and variance amounts will compare the previous column with this one. You can drag the columns to reorder them and click Find to update the report based on your new column settings. You can then click on any actual amount to see the transaction behind it, and you can click on the budget value to see or adjust the budget amounts that make up that figure. If you are also using the ClearBooks Projects feature, you can compare the project totals with project budgets. To do so, select the project in the column Project field and choose the corresponding project budget to compare. Pressing Find will display the results for you below. Thank you for watching this overview of the Budgets feature. If you have any questions, please refer to our help guide or contact support.